Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 1, Endangered Wildlife. So when the numbers of species of animal become very low, they face the risk of becoming extinct. Read about some endangered animals and filling the missing letters in the blocks to name them. Use the clues for the box for help. Okay, so they are found in eastern and central Africa. Their color changes from brown to gray and can run at 50 km/h. They are haunted for their horns. Today they are critically endangered for fighting for their survival. The answer is black rhino. Black rhino. Okay, they are the largest creature ever to have lived on the earth, ever bigger than the biggest dinosaurs. It weighs up to 200 tons and swim up to 25 miles an hour when it needs to. Blue whale. Answer is blue whale. Okay. Third, they have black and white fur and black eye patches. They lived in the bamboo forest on the hills and mountains of central China, and their diet consists almost of bamboo stalks. They are giant panda. Answer is giant panda. They were discovered in 1992. This rare mammals live in the Annamite range of mountains in Vietnam and Laos. They are very shy animals and rarely seen in Saula. Okay, they are big cats and live in the colder parts of the world and occasionally called ounces. They are meat eater and hunt by stalking and ambushing their prey from above. They are capable of taking animals 3 times their weight. Snow leopard. Next is, this animal had no natural enemies. It lost the ability to fly. When the people came to Meerut, it was eaten as a food. They became extinct in the 17th century. Dodo. So in here there is the answers given here, and also there is the answers given in your last पेज का जो आप बुक का लास्ट पेज है वहाँ पे भी आपको आंसर कीज दिए गए हैं. यू कैन सी. सो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट पेज नंबर 7 एंडेंजर्ड लाइफ, इसके हिसाब से आपको आंसर्स दिए. सो यू कैन राइट डाउन आंसर्स फ्रॉम यर ऑल्सो. ओके. Chapter 2, Wildlife Tour. The world is home to a variety of animals and birds, most of which can be spotted in wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and bird sanctuaries. Let us begin our wildlife tour and study more about these wonderful places. So, Masai Mara is a large park reserve in southwestern Kenya, which is in the northern continuation of the Serengeti National Park Game Reserve. Tanzania, it is most famous for its lions. Black rhinoceros and cheetah are also found, although their numbers are severely threatened. Large herds of zebra and Maasai giraffe are also common. Besides 450 species of bird life, including vultures, stork, hornbill, crowned crane, ostrich and African falcon are also identified. Second question, nesting in the foothills of the Himalayas, the Dehradun has the highest density of tiger in India. Besides the tiger, it is a haven for 50 mammals, 580 kinds of birds and 25 reptile species. The park has elephants, Himalayan black bear, sloth bear, varieties of lesser cats, dhole the wild dog, an entire spectrum of colorful birds including water birds, pheasants, chingle fowl and the Indian hornbill. Next is Gir National Park is the sole home of the pure Asiatic lions. The carnivorous group mainly comprises Asiatic lions, leopards, jungle cats, hyenas, jackals and mongoose. The main herbivores include cheetah, nilgai, sambar, four-horned antelope, chinkara and wild boar. Among the smaller mammals, porcupine and hare are common. So, the Yellowstone National Park was the first of its kind and is known for its wildlife and its many geothermal features, especially Old Faithful Geyser. There are almost 60 species of mammals in the park, including the endangered grey wolf, the threatened in lynx and grizzly bears. Other large mammals include the bison, black bear, elk, moose, mule deer, mountain goat, bighorn sheep and mountain lion. So, Kailadio Ghana National Park, Ghana National Park, located near Bharatpur in Rajasthan. It is known for the world famous bird sanctuary. Siberian cranes, the large and the beautiful migratory birds on the brink of the extinction, come to this sanctuary for their annual winter sojourn. Okay. So, Barbarspan Bird Sanctuary. Barbarspan Bird Sanctuary is the largest waterfowl sanctuary in the South Africa. Over 350 bird species including pelican, flamingo, grebe, tern, heron, crane wait out the dry season at this conservation area spread in more than 2000 hectares of wetlands. Seventh is Sundarban forest is situated on the world's largest delta, which is shared by the Bangladesh and India. Contains mangrove forest and is home to the famous Royal Bengal tiger and large reptiles like olive ridley, turtles and crocodiles. So answer of this I have told you orally, and the answer of this is also given on the last page of your book. Okay, thank you so much. Chapter 3, Good for You. Nuts and seeds are good for our health. If you ever find yourself hungry, a handful of nuts or seeds is available, always a good choice. Solve this crossword puzzle to learn about some edible seeds and nuts. So you can see a cross यानी कि ऐसे and down यानी कि downwards. Okay, so question is accordingly given and you have to write the answer. They come into two colors, brown and yellow, and good for maintaining healthy skin and hair. So that is flax seeds. Second question, regularly consumption of these nuts can help reduce the risk of lower high blood pressure. Second is walnut. Third, so third का आंसर है cashew, but the boxes given here are wrong. 6 letters है लेकिन boxes यहाँ पे 7 दिए और H यहाँ पे 5th इस पे आ रहा है. So you write it down like this. साइड में आप लिख सकते हो. Okay. So fourth is, it is small oval seed can help reduce joint pain and keep the digestive system healthy. 4 letter words. Fourth one is, देखो, chia, chia, chia. Fifth, These seeds are highly valued for their oil. They can prevent diseases like arthritis and asthma. 6-letter words. Fifth is, here is the fifth one. Okay, it's here. Sesame. Okay. And 6, they are off-white in color, covered by a thin brownish skin. Such nuts boost brain power. That is almond. Okay. 7th, they are also known as pepitas. These dark green seeds have a sweet, creamy and nutty flavor. That is pistachio. Okay. 8th, it is called khaskhas in Hindi and posto in Bengali. It is widely used in Bengal cuisines. 5 letters. 8th one is poppy. That is poppy. Okay. 9th, it is known as the smiling nut in the Iran and the happy nut in the China. That is, 9th one is okay. The 7th one was this pistachio. Then 9th one is pumpkin. Okay. Thank you so much. Number 4, microbiology. So that is, microbes are microorganisms. They are sometimes called bugs because they can cause problems like disease, but they are not all bad. Read the description about this and unscramble their names. Often displayed as germs that cause illness, they help us to do an amazing array of useful things like make vitamins, break down some types of garbage and maintain our atmosphere. That is bacteria. Okay. From a single cell yeast to a 3.5 milli wide mushroom, they do everything from helping to bake bread to recycling to decomposing waste. That is fungi. These bacteria looks alike are living fossils that are providing clues to the earliest forms of life on earth. So that is archaea. So plant like algae produce much of the oxygen we breathe. Animal like protozoa help maintain the balance of microbial life. That is protista. Unable to do much of anything on their own, they go into host cells to reproduce, often wreaking havoc and causing disease. Their ability to move genetic information from one cell to another makes them useful for cloning DNA and could provide a way to deliver gene therapy, that is viruses. Thank you so much. Chapter 5, that is creeping creatures. Small 6-legged creatures often seen in gardens and around plants are commonly referred to as insects. Different varieties of insects are found in the world. Answer the following questions and learn more about these creeping creatures. You may use the clues given below. These insects damage our furniture. They are called white ants, termites. Black widow, cardinal and funnel web are all types of spiders. This insect produce a chirping sound by rubbing their front wings together, that is cricket. Common household insect found between the pages of a book, that is silverfish. Insect that destroy crops is locust. Ants live in the colonies with a strict social structure and communicate with other of its kind by leaving a trail of chemicals. Imperial mammal and desert are all types of scorpions. Dengue fever, also known as a breakbone fever, is transmitted by several species of this insect, mosquito. The name of the insect is a corruption of the Spanish word cockroach. This insect tastes with their feet butterflies. Thank you so much.